Designista, welcome to Encoded Fashion. I'm Rose, and today I'm excited to share with you guys the history of a pencil skirt as well as my secret formula on how to dress a perfect pencil skirt pattern for knit fabric. What is a pencil skirt? A pencil skirt was introduced by a French designer named Christian Dior, and he came up with this skirt design in 1954. What does a pencil skirt look like? A pencil skirt is a slim fitting and it looks just like this pencil. The length of the skirt varies between knee high or below your knee. How much does a pencil skirt cost? A pencil skirt can cost vary between $30 to $1,000. What is a secret formula on how to dress a pencil skirt? The secret formula for drafting this pencil skirt is waist circumference divided by 4, then hip circumference divided by 4, and I will show you step by step on how to draft this pencil skirt with that formula. What is the secret formula how to dress this pencil skirt? Okay, this is the secret formula, okay? So I have two pencil skirt guidelines. One lay out all the example, the measurement that I measure myself, as well as the one is blank. So these two charts right here will be posted on my website, and you guys can go out there and then print these both out for you guys to use. So let me explain the formula, okay? This is how it works. So my skirt length is 56 and my waist to hip, my hip length 20 and my waist circumference 80, my hip circumference 102. So when you come down here, you see the guide to calculation. So you divide waist circumference by 4. So 80 divided by 4 is 20 centimeter. Now the hip 102 divided by 4 is 25.5 centimeter. Okay, that's simple, guys. And down here I just add more information for you guys. The skirt hem circumference is equal to your waist circumference. At this example is equal to 20 centimeter because my waist circumference is 20 centimeter. Okay, so now I'm gonna guide you through how to dress this pattern. All right, are you with me? Let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna use this data off from the skirt guideline. Okay, so begin by straighten out your hem allowance. I like to use the square ruler to do this because save me time. Okay, and I'm gonna add, let me cut that first. So cut a straight line, and this is skirt hem. Now I'm going to add 3 centimeter for the hem allowance. Okay, And we're gonna add 2.5 centimeter for the center back. Okay. Again, guys, we need the center back seam allowance because a pencil skirt has a split in the back. You can call it as a split or a vent. Okay, so go back to my skirt length is 56. Okay, 56, and my hip length is 20. So this is hip length, and this is waist length, and this will be hem length. If let's say I can do it backward, ooh, almost impossible. So hem length there, okay? And you can mark it again, or you can use a square ruler. It's up to you. So I'm gonna try to mark it again. So the skirt length is 56, and my hip length is 20, and I'm gonna connect the dot, okay? Okay, we're gonna use a elastic waistband. For the elastic waistband, I'm using like a 3 centimeter elastic waistband. So we need to add 4 centimeter for our hem allowance. Okay. All right. Now this is very important, guys. So we're gonna mark the waist circumference. So waist circumference was 80, and divide that by 4 is 20 centimeter. And the hip 102, we divide that by 4 is 25.5. Okay. And remember we talked about earlier, how do we know the skirt hem circumference? We know because a pencil skirt formula is the skirt hem is equal to the waist circumference, okay? So hem circumference for a pencil skirt is equivalent to the waist circumference, okay? So a waist circumference in this example 20 centimeter, so a skirt hem gonna be 20 centimeter, okay? And now we're gonna connect a dot just like that. And remember, guys, sometimes when we work with knit fabric, especially this fabric is super stretched, about 45% stretchy. So instead of add seam allowance, we're gonna subtract seam allowance. So let me show you. Oh, just blend this hip curl a little bit so it stay kind of smooth rather than kind of pointy. Okay. So usually hem allowance for me, I would add 2 centimeter for hem allowance, but in this case, instead of add, we're gonna subtract because we just for knit fabric. So depend on how stretched your knit fabric is, but for average stretch fabric it's like 30% stretchy. So I recommend subtract 2 centimeter. All right, so now we're gonna cut on this line here, okay? and this is a 2 centimeter seam allowance. And I kind of like give it a little bit curve like that. Okay, and remember to label your skirt. We're gonna label this back skirt. Okay, and then we're ready to cut. So we're gonna make a split in the back for our skirt. The length for the split is about 10 centimeters above your knees. That's when you are able to walk freely. Let's say you make a pencil skirt or a mermaid skirt. Always get the split about 10 centimeters above your knee so you can walk freely, okay? So in this example, my skirt is 2 centimeters below my knee, so instead of 10 centimeters, actually split the skirt to 12 centimeters because 10 centimeters plus 2 centimeters is equal 12 centimeter split, okay? Alright, so that's a back split. Now, I'm gonna show you how to draft the front skirt, okay? And the front skirt, all you need to do is bring the back skirt that you just draft and then place on top a paper just like I'm doing right now, except you do not need this seam allowance in the back because the front skirt is only one piece. So we're gonna just place this back skirt on top the paper like I'm doing right now. Let me put the weight on a little bit. And now we're gonna cut on it. Okay, so now after we finish cutting the front part, we're gonna trace the seam allowance. After you trace the seam allowance, now we're gonna label it front, okay? Always label your patterns, guys. It saves you a lot of time and headache when you cut this skirt fabric, okay? Okay. Now we're finished. This is the front of the skirt and this is the back of the skirt. Now we complete a pencil skirt pattern drafting with a simple and easy formula, guys. Thanks for watching Designista. Please click a like and subscribe button below if you think this video useful. I'm Rose and you can design anything.